How to bind Facebook account to ShortMax. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Facebook account to ShortMax. It's a simple process. First of all, you need to go ahead and install the ShortMax application on your mobile device. Then after launch the application, tap on the profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now here you'll get two different options of login with Facebook and login with Google. Go ahead, tap on login with Facebook account. Now this will request you to access your name and profile picture. You need to tap on continue as the specific Facebook profile that you're logged into. Go ahead and tap on continue and you'll be done. You'll be taken to the Facebook website, or if you're not logged into your Facebook in your device, you'll be taken to the Facebook website where you can log in. So just log into the Facebook and you'll be able to connect your account. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.